Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for healthcare. TrafficGuard is what your business needs. TrafficGuard's impression-level protection helps you to make sure your ads are viewable by real people with the highest likelihood of converting later in the advertising journey. Leveraging intelligence gathered across the entire conversion funnel, pre-bid optimization is strengthened and your advertising gets the best start possible. Impression-level capabilities that drive advertising performance. Viewability. Pre-bid optimization. IVT Measurement. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.